How to clear iPhone RAM memory with one click. Here's how you can refresh the RAM and improve your iPhone's performance. First, open the Settings app. Scroll down and tap Accessibility. Next, tap Touch. Now, select Assistive Touch and turn it on. This will add the floating Assistive Touch button to your screen. Go back to the main settings page. Tap General. Scroll to the bottom and tap Shut Down. When the slide to power off screen appears, don't turn off your iPhone. Instead, tap the Assistive Touch floating button, then press and hold the Home button on the Assistive Touch menu. Keep holding it for a few seconds until the passcode screen appears or your iPhone returns to the lock screen. Now, unlock your iPhone using your passcode. This refreshes the RAM without deleting any of your apps or data. Here's another simple method. Press and quickly release the volume up button. Then press and quickly release the volume down button. Finally, press and hold the side button until the Apple logo appears, then release it. Your iPhone will restart, which also helps refresh the system memory and clear temporary processes. And that's it. These are 2 easy ways to refresh your iPhone's RAM and help improve its performance. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more iPhone tips, tricks, and how-to tutorials.